We wish you all the best, Avinash Sable. Avinash Sable's last match for the gold medal will start on August 8th at around 1:13 a.m. in India. Please switch on your TV and cheer for him. He finished 5th in his heat with a timing of 8 minutes and 15.43 seconds minutes to qualify among the top 15 in the event. Born on September 13, 1994, in the village of Mandwa in Maharashtra's Bid district, Avinash Sable grew up in a family of modest means. Avinash Sable was recruited in the Indian Army after finishing his 12th grade and was part of the 5 Mahar Regiment. He was posted at Siachen, Rajasthan and Sikkim. We wish you all the best, Avinash Sable.